Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to lesson 2 of our Colour Coded Noorani Qaida. Today you will learn about combining letters. So that is how to read two or more letters that are joined together. The reason we do this is so that we can recognize the Arabic letters when they are in a different form. This lesson will be divided into two parts. I will, however, do part 2 in a separate video, inshallah. If this is your first time with us, a very warm welcome to you. I'm so glad that you will be joining us. I don't know about you, but I am super excited to get started. So let us begin, inshallah. Just remember that you can slow the video down in the settings if I am going too fast for you. And on the other hand, if I am going too slow for you, you can also speed the video up, inshallah. Okay, so let us begin with lesson 2. Okay, we are going to do from the start over here, and then we're just going to do half of the next page. Okay, so there is a note on this lesson that says, in this lesson, also read the alphabet as given in the table in lesson 1. What that means is that there are no sounds on the letters. We will say it as the letter stands. There's no haraka, which we will learn about later on, inshallah. It's the different sounds that go onto the letters when we are reading. But for now, we are going to just learn about combining the letters and recognizing them in words and so on, inshallah. So what the book does is it breaks the alphabet up. So for this section, you'll see they've got alif and they've got lam. So they've put this in red and lam in blue. So, and then they carry on with different letters. This is kaf, and then they'll do ba, ta, tha, nun, ya, and carry on so forth, inshallah. So we will just start with the first part and then carry on as we go along, inshallah. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We're going to be doing alif and lam. So everything in blue will be lam and everything in red will be alif. And that is how we learn to see how the letters are formed and shaped differently. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Lam, alif. Jim, alif. Lam, alif. Mim, alif. Lam, alif. Ba, alif. Lam, alif. Lam, jim. Lam, alif. Lam, ba. Lam, alif. Ba, lam, ba. Okay, good. Now let's carry on to the next section, which is kaf. So let's do this one. Kaf, ba. Kaf, ta. Kaf, alif. Kaf, alif. See, although they're exactly the same letters, they look different. So it's very important to be able to recognize them when they are formed in different words. Ba, kaf, ba. Ta, kaf, tha. Okay, and here we move on to some more letters. Ba in green, ta in blue, tha in this grape color, noon dark green, and ya in a lighter green. Okay. Ba, alif. Ta, alif. Tha, alif. Noon, alif. Ya, alif. Ba, sin. Ya, sin. Noon, sin. Ta, sin. Tha, sin. Tha, jim. Ta, ha. Noon, kho. Ya, ha. Ba, jim. Ba, mim. Ya, mim. Noon, mim. Ta, mim. Tha, mim. Ba, ya. Ya, ya. Noon, ya. Ta, ya. Tha, ya. Noon, ba, lam. Ta, noon, lam. Ba, ya, lam. Ya, ta, lam. Tha, lam. Noon, ba, noon. Ba, noon, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Tha, noon. Noon, ya, noon. Alhamdulillah, and well done on completing part 1 of lesson 2. Please practice this on your own. It is really important, beloved YouTube family. I find that a lot of people struggle to read because they can't recognize the letters when it is in a word. So I would really encourage you to practice, and it will really help you to read fluently later on, inshallah. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Love and salams.